Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another watch unboxing here. I had this for quite a while, actually. Just finally getting around to opening it. Have another watch in on loan right now that will compare very nicely to this, so I want to get it open and out of the box so we can check them out together in an upcoming video here. So hopefully I'm not cutting anything I shouldn't be. Oh, good thing I pulled this out off camera. It's got my address on the outer box of that box, so I think this one was delayed or something, and they gave me a free strap or something. I don't exactly remember. It's been a little while. So anyway, let's get this open. Guess it came with two straps. I don't know. I need to get a little better at coordinating my videos, I guess. Anyway, here's the certificate of assembly from, I guess I would pronounce it Vaer, V-A-E-R. All right, so we have the Vaer C5, and then I guess I got another strap with it too. I don't know. So custom built USA quartz. You could either get this with the USA quartz or with, I think it was a Ronda quartz. But yeah, I should have gotten to this earlier. So anyway, this is a silicone strap. Let's zoom in here. Let's just peel that off of there. It's already starting to come off anyway. Sapphire glass, 316L stainless steel, 100 meter water resistant, American assembly, which is very cool. Designed in Los Angeles. Yeah, it's a nice looking watch. I like this watch. Looks very similar to the Hamilton mechanical I had in, oh geez, maybe a year ago or so, which I don't have that watch anymore. I sold it quite a while ago. Kind of wish I didn't, but can't keep them all. So yeah, this is definitely a quick release silicone strap. If it says anything on here or not, can't see it. Anyway, let's check out the other straps here. Should close my knife while I'm at it. There's a little more information about the watch. 316L stainless steel, domed sapphire AR coating. There's the American quartz movement. So 20 millimeter lug width, 40 millimeter diameter. Lug to lug is 48 and 9.4 thick. Assembled in the USA with domestic and foreign components. So I really appreciate that. All right, let's check out this strap. Maybe I'll switch him around here. I don't know. Oh, what the heck? Let's just switch the straps real quick. It's quite the involved packaging for a strap. Geez, I mean that's. Oh well. Probably cut the cost of the straps in half by going to simpler packaging. There's a khaki nylon strap. Let's check out this black strap as well. I'm thinking this is a black, maybe it's blue. That looks like black to me. Yeah, they feel nice. Nice milled hardware here, milled tang, milled buckle. All right, let me just do a quick little unplanned strap show here. I didn't even really know what was in the box. I do like that this strap has a little hole in here to keep the keeper in place. So here's this one. There we go. Come on. All right, here we are on the black two-piece nylon strap. We'll put on the khaki strap here next. A little easier than using pins, I guess, but you still need to line everything up. There we go. Got that one on there too. I'm thinking this would be my favorite strap combination. I'll probably just leave it on this strap and wear it for a bit. So yeah, there we go. That will conclude the unboxing video. Actually, I like how the strap matches the fake patina on the hands and indices there. I think that's a good look. So yeah, this will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time, and I didn't put it on wrist, so let's put it on wrist. The strap's quite a bit stiff, but I'm sure it'll break in over time. So let me move these boxes out of the way. There we go. Proper wrist shot. And we'll zoom out here in a minute. Yeah, maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit big, but maybe not. My 6.5-inch wrist with that 40 millimeter diameter and 48 lug to lug. So, all right, that will conclude the video. Talk to you guys soon.